Hey, good morning, family. This is me, Lamarr Brown, your profit coach. Hey, I want to do this video because we actually going to take a short trade today. The market's been taking a nice little dive. So July 22nd. So just enter to a short trade. As you can see on this level here, this is where our potential exit is going to be at. So as soon as we get down to that profit pivot point, that's where we're going to make our first exit. Okay. Right now we have a lot of momentum on our side. We have, the red over red going on right in that area there. So now we're going to look for our exit so we can actually exit the trade. And there we go. Boom. $720 just like that, right? So I want to show you something too. And we actually took the trade off right before it hit our pivot points, right? We don't have to wait till we hit the pivot points. It can be in the neighborhood of the pivot points. But as you can see, in less than a minute, we was able to accumulate around about $700. Now, I want to show you something what can be really tricky. This is the problem when people try to choose the very bottom thinking they're going to catch you going up, okay? I want you to see this and experience this with me because this is where a lot of traders get in trouble. It is better for you to trade with the trend than to try to find the very bottom or try to find the very top of that trade, okay? So what I'm going to look at is there's going to be a correction. There's always a correction in the market, but you don't know how deep that correction is going to be, or if it's going to be a substantial correction. So here we go. It broke down and finally hit our pivot point line. So what we're looking for is get that little bounce, okay? When I'm looking at my 6 ranker chart right here, you can see that it's beginning to kind of go upward, right? So what I'm going to do is try the momentum switching to kind of go up on that correction. So once it goes down right here, I'm going to enter the trade. There we go, boom, and there we go. So we're going to just try to take a few dollars off there, but I want to let you see how much hesitation and resistance we're going to meet. Look at that. Before it finally pop up and take us out that trade, right? But it's probably going to bring us around about once the trade finishes around the $800 something. But you could tell the difference when we were going with the trend versus going against the trend, okay? And this is the most important thing that you need to know about trading because everybody would tell you, see, there we go, it took us out. So we got a good, I think it's like 800 something. Let me look at the profit there. Let me look at the profit. Yeah, $850. Okay, so let me put it back down there. Okay, so $850, which is not bad for three minutes of work, right? 3.5 minutes of work, but just that unsettling feeling when you get into the trades, what you gotta kind of expect when you're going against the trend. Okay, stay with the trend until it actually corrects completely. Once it corrects completely, then you can take that trade going back up a lot safer and a lot more confidence. So that's it for today. Today again, July 22nd. It's early in the morning. I just wanted you to see how this trade came out to be. All right. So $850, 3 minutes of work. All right. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to go to the website, subscribe. We're going to be doing something really cool next week. I'm going to be bringing people in so we can actually do another top step, and whoever actually come on there, I'm going to actually have a little competition thing for you guys. Okay, it's going to be around about wealth building, and if you want to be a part of it, please go subscribe at the website. Okay, migsuite.com. All right, guys. So that's it for today. And last thing I want to tell you is I'll see you at the bank. Bye bye.